And we will not forget also Professor Ben Nane, Chairman Provincial Council, ladies and gentlemen. We will not also, in a hurry, forget Skip Akbarano and Lagos West Africa, Governor of Rivers State, is a special guest of honor, delivering a Lewan of Ogoni land, and somebody who has several titles all over Nigeria, including his hometown, the included national. Something here. He always come here to be with us. He is doing fraternal greeting with all the local government chairmen, and then the line is not ended yet. He is happy with Ogoni. It's his second home. I am telling you for sure, if we have another government house here, he would. So.
Ladies and gentlemen, I called my media people when I came back from Enugu State yesterday. I said, I want this program to be live, so that I will say what I will say today. And let the Ogoni people hear me and hear me well. And let Nigeria hear me and hear me well. And let Nigeria hear me and hear me well. The chairman of INC, the president of INC, and your team, the one who put it to the general. You know, when you are standing here, you forget so many things. But as I remember, I recognize you. But they told me everyone has been booked. I said, okay, I told them now, go and call channel ALT, they must show today everything we have done here. And quote me what I have said. I don't want anybody to go and write what I didn't say. What I'm saying today, I'll say tomorrow, I'll say next tomorrow. Where Ogoni? Where Ogoni? Where Ogoni? You know, the president of INC has read out everything. Marginalization, this, that of the Niger Delta. Not so? I disagree with you. The people of Niger Delta are marginalizing themselves by selling themselves out. Nobody can buy me. Nobody can buy me. Governors of Niger Delta are not working together. Ministers are not working together. Chairmen are not working together. Traditional rulers are not working together. Who is marginalizing who? You said yourself for a peanut. You said yourself for a peanut. People like Ken, all of the people you are celebrating Ogoni Day. How many of you can today say you can stand for what Ken stood for? You can stand for the great Ogoni man who died for yourself. How many of you can say that? How many of you can say that? How many of you? Peanuts, money, money. Ken is late. All the people are late. They fought for Ogoni people. They fought for the environmental degradation of Niger Delta. Today, how many of you? So unfortunate. Every day you say, Ogoni Day, Ogoni Day. What's Ogoni Day? When you are going to sell yourself out. You're going to sell yourself out. I will never be a party to sell any Ogoni man out. I will never be a party to sell any reverse man out. I will never be a party to sell that data. Every day, all of you come here, you tell me, Ogoni Day, January 4th. I agree. You use that to make forgive you. God will never forgive you. I will never be a party to make blood money. I will not be. All of you, you are here today, Ogoni Day. Are you standing firm for Ogoni people? Are you standing firm for the spirit of those who died for you? Go and take your conscience. Go and take your conscience. Ogoni people, take your conscience. It's unfortunate. People will make sacrifice. People will die for you to be here. You use them to collect money. And today you say, oh, good day. Any day, then you say, January 4th. Oh, want to gather for good. Why you? Why you? Responding to me, check yourself too. Are you not being used? I know federal government. I know how they kill Ogoni people. They cannot use me. I will never be allowing myself to be used to make money. I will make money when I will make money, but not for the blood of my people. I will never do that. Federal government, they know me too well. You would have talking about OML 11. Today I'm in the Supreme Court to challenge the federal government and APC. Nobody. I will not be governor here again. I'm leaving next year. The matter will not end. But God in heaven will be any witness. I have protected, I've defended the interests of the state and the interests of Ogoni land. So many people come and tell you stories of NNPC. They came to me. I told them, fa. They used to they tell you all kinds of stuff, high prep, deep prep, thin prep, anything. And you will take it. You take it, contract. If you take the contract on behalf of the blood of your mother, you will pay. If I'm that kind of governor, I would have sold all of you out. But I will not do it. Money comes, money will go. I will not do it. Today, I got not people to be here. The problem of Ogoni land are these people. Listen that to me. My body. I'm not here for APC or PDP. You don't know yourself. You killed Magnus Abe in APC. You people, all of you. All of you in APC, you freeze Magnus Abe. They blight somebody in your area. You kill him. You freeze him. You destroyed him. Because he wanted to be governor. Shame. And all of you. Now I want to tell you again. Listen to me now. Leader Nite would have been a senior advocate of Nigeria today. Leader Nite suffered for the Ogoni struggle. Very brilliant. All of you who know politics does it. NRC and NCP. My boss today is who commands the national advocate. Leader Nite would have been struggling. Being with his death, you don't have one. All we are struggling today is for Nite leader to be a senior advocate of Nigeria. Some of you want to destroy the young man that want to be a governor. A man who is not inclined in politics. A man who has never one day showed interest. I said, look, my colleagues are student, my boys are student advocates. Sir, help us. And all the meeting I've been doing is how you can become a senior advocate. You want to destroy him, then you want to be a governor. We are. Meet up, where need a meeting? We are. Come. You want to be a governor? I would have told him. He has never one day, and you know I will not support him. Because media is not that kind of person. This man. I will never support to kill a man. I won't do it all. I will never do it. God in heaven knows. This man has never one day. He has never even spoken to me that he wants to be a governor. Why did you kill him? Why do you kill your own people? Okay, assuming he wants to be a governor. He's not a good man. Assuming he becomes a governor, he's not a good governor. Why you always destroy your own? Sending me text message that means they want to be a governor. I will not support that. I will never support it. Mito knows he cannot tell me that. The day he tells me that, I will not allow him. Mito has supported me very well. You don't know the angle Mito comes from. You don't know. Joy is not a member of my party. Joy fought me not to be a governor. This Joy fought me. But when she had a problem, she's a reverse person. She's a reverse woman. It's not a matter of party. I owe that responsibility to every reverse man and woman to protect her. So, Joy, as you see her, she's not my best room. She's APC. But I want her to protect her. People should learn that. Stop destroying yourself. Stop destroying yourself. If not, you will not go anywhere. Because I tell people, when you have a problem, there are people you run to go and talk to the governor. When you bring them down, you have nobody to run to the governor. I will tell you the truth and nothing but the truth. You don't need to like me. God in heaven has given me all the grace. I have passed through murder case. I passed out through armed robbery case. For politicians have set me up, but God has brought me where I am. I'm not afraid of anybody. Federal government cannot intimidate me. Not one. I will not. Sometimes don't kill your own people. Sit down. Put yourself together. Marginalization, you are the one marginalizing yourself. The people of Niger Delta, the man of INC says so, tell him too. Niger Delta does not belong to only one ethnic group. The chairman, president, come. You say Niger Delta. You are the one. Where is the president? He come. You are a German. So we'll talk about it. You read how many pages he had. I told them. Speak. In fact, this live coverage would have been here. We are divided in Niger Delta. The German says Niger Delta, only his job. Can it be truth? You appoint somebody in NDC. If you are not from his job, stop. You cannot head off NDC. Is that what it's supposed to be? If Yoruba man comes, it's not Niger Delta. If Yoruba comes, it's not Niger Delta. If Cameroon comes, it's not called Niger Delta. Is that what we should like it? Akwaba comes, it's not Niger Delta. We cannot continue that way. And that's why the nation is taken for granted. Because they know we are not united. They know they use us up and down. Today, PDP is in control of the state. Pigi, Olagalogu, all of you who are here, Senator Limeba, Ako, all of you here, I can't call on your names. Ogoni say your hand. Ogoni say your hand. Ogoni say your hand. So I came today not to praise you, I came today to admonish you. You are not helping Ogoni land. You are not helping Ogoni land. Some of you say, they own me. They own me. Nobody here owns me. Nobody. You can only own me when you are doing the right thing. It's madness here. See ya. But I will speak on the truth. He worked with me. He joined evil party. No doubt. He joined evil party. He joined evil party. But that does not mean as madness. Is one of your materials you have in your area? Must you kill him? Must you kill him? Must you go and little meeting? Must you give Birabi? Birabi, let me tell you. Yes, if you don't do well, I will fight you. Birabi, if you don't do well, I will do what? Fight you. See, if you don't do well for a personal pocket, you will not see the dough. I will fight you to the last. Kagote, I will fight you. No, don't look back. Commissioner, all of you are sending me this. I don't agree. Chairman of Council, Assembly, bring all this. It is to your own advantage. Look at Ogoni for local government. For local government. Every day you are fighting yourself, you are doing this. They kill these people because of your division. People die because of their division. Don't allow that again to happen. Unite yourself. Don't be weak. Don't do that. Nobody can. I'm a typical unrepentable man. I'm not an old man. I'm an equal man. Unrepentable what? So people should be that. So I call you, I'm not here to blame one person. All of you. All. Nobody. That was no issue. Look, all of you having this faction, mobile bosom, this faction, they are using that to divide you people. And you're happy. You're happy. How can you make it in life? You cannot. So, I came here today in peace. And I will live here today in I have nobody attached to anything. Governorship or River State is not you. It's not by one person. It's by settlement. Let us sit and discuss and know how we are going to move. You know what I'm saying? And not to give to Joy the move. Not to give to Joy the move. You understand me? But it is PGP, not so. No PDP. Joy me, are you ready for that one? And then do that one. So, come. Where did you? Come here. Bobas or the lepers. Hold this one hand. Hold his hand. You hold his hand. Lee, all of you, come. Hold yourself hand. Hold your hand. You hold them. Hold your hand. Hold your hand. Everybody hold your hand. Hold your hand. Hold your hand today. Hold your hand. Raise it up. Raise it up. Today, all of you are united. Today, all of you are united. Today, all of you are united. For the unity of River State, for the unity of Nigeria. Don't go to NNPC. I will fight them here back. Ogoni land was served the interest. You cannot suffer. Your people cannot die. The way they kill them, and anybody can come here and say, you use Ogoni land. Thank you. God bless you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.